Hello, my name is Kyle Power, and welcome to my introduction presentation for MPA 594 for Cal Baptist University. And obviously this is my last course in the curriculum for the master's program, and I'll give you a little bit of an introduction to myself and my personal life outside of the master's program. This is a picture of myself with my wife Kelly and 3.5-year-old son Owen, taken last week on a 3-day vacation spent with my family up in Lake Berryessa. Reflecting back to when I began the MPA program, we had a pretty simple life compared to now, and since the 2 years I've been in this program, we've been dealing with a lot of things and kind of reflecting upon some of the assignments I have at work and some things I've taken on in my assignments and how I've related them to the theories and concepts that we learned about throughout the curriculum. As some of you might know from my previous introductions, we lost our home in the Thomas Fire in 2017. I was just about finishing my policy analysis course and actually doing homework pretty late at night until about 11 p.m. when we saw the fire come down the hill, and we evacuated, and about 500 homes in my neighborhood burnt and was a complete loss. And since then, almost a year and a half later, we're finally framing and getting our feet back on the ground and hopefully be back by 2020 into our house. Since 2018, it's been about a year now that I've been the Lifeguard Association president, representing about 700 ocean lifeguards and lake lifeguards under the Los Angeles County Lifeguard Association as the president. Recently in May, after about almost a year of negotiating contracts, we were able to ratify both bargaining unit contracts for hours, wages, and working conditions, and improving those for my membership, and also kind of connecting the theories and practices within collective bargaining and in my position of being the union president. One of the most rewarding accomplishments that I have been able to have in my career as a Los Angeles County lifeguard captain is teaching the Ocean Lifeguard Academy. I've been teaching the academy since 2008, and in the past 4 years I have been the lead training captain for our academy and delivering the curriculum that is certified by the California State Fire Marshal for open water. And in this last academy that finished in mid-June, we graduated 49 successful candidates to become ocean lifeguards, and they will be working the beaches of Los Angeles County this summer. As I reflect upon the last 2 years in the MPA program, it's definitely been a challenge, not so much by itself, but all the things that I do with my job and with schoolwork definitely takes a little bit of a toll from family life, and I'm looking forward to completing the program, applying the theories and concepts that we're learning to practice within my organization, as well as fulfilling my role as a union president and getting back and spending time with my family as much as possible, as we are expecting another child in January, right when we move right back into our house in Ventura when it's done. I also hopefully and selfishly want to get back into more surfing and spending time in the ocean, as it is my one true passion, and I do feel very lucky to have that passion and kind of connect that and bridge that to the career that I have in public safety as an ocean lifeguard. Thank you for watching, and good luck to everyone in the final course of our master's program. Thank you.